Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I got another long curly wig, but this time this is from Alipearl. I don't know if my last one was from Alipearl, so I'm not sure if it's different, but anyways, this one is from Alipearl and this is their deep wave 30-inch wig in HD lace, of course. And it's super dense. I'll put the exact density in the description down below and also the link as well. But if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and how I did all these baby hairs, then keep on watching. There's really nothing else to say. I will talk more in detail about the hair, how I feel about it and everything, but so far so good. It's so soft and it's a lot of hair. It literally just drapes me, but it's so cute. So yeah, that's it for me. If you guys want to know how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. So I've already done the bald cap method and everything, and it's time to color match. And I've gotten a tan because I just came back from my birthday trip and everything, so we're gonna have to make it a little bit darker, but I'll show you how I do that. To get that seamless skin type of look, you have to make the lace match really well. Alright, I'm gonna try this shade out. It looks a little too dark, but it's better if it's a little darker, because then it will lighten up with the glue, and I think this matches really well. So the dark shade always around the perimeter, and lightly. You don't want it to be too dark. Looks pretty good, so I'm just going to do the same thing all around. I'm also going to lightly put it everywhere else. I still have my cornrows underneath. That's what you guys can see. I didn't take out the cornrows that I had from my trip because there was no point. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. Now here is the wig with the texture, and it's so long. And it's curly all the way throughout. It's so long. Like this on me. Really pretty though. I like how the curls feel really soft. And it's kind of a different texture, curl pattern. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's a bit tighter than what I've been wearing recently. But I also like how dark it is. I feel like it's pretty dark compared to other wigs, and it's just your regular HT lace. I've already bleached the knots, you guys can see. And I've done a bit of plucking. I might pluck more, but this is the hair. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of my foundation on the lace, but that's it. Alright, so time to put it on. Ooh. Okay, I thought I didn't pluck it enough, but it actually looks really good. Yeah, this is going to look bomb. Maybe should I pluck more here? No, I think it's good. Alright, so this wig definitely does fit. I sometimes have issues with wigs, but this fits really well. And it doesn't hurt or anything, it feels really good. So we should be good to go with this one. Alright, I'm just going to clip these back so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm not putting the hairline really close to my hairline just because I just don't want to risk losing any edges or anything. So the hairline will be more forward than I guess normal, but we'll still make it look good. Just letting you guys know that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I don't have another pencil, but I have my lip liner, so I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna map out where I want the hairline. I think it looks pretty normal. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so now that I know where I'm going to put the glue within the line that we just made, I'm going to clean up that area with some alcohol and then putting my bolt hold active. And I'm going to put around 3 layers of this. And just wait for each layer to be dry before putting on the next layer, because then it'll just make the install look way better and way more flawless. But if you don't let it dry, you're going to have some white sticky parts, and it kind of shows how fake the wig looks. So. so now since everything is really tacky, it's ready to be glued. And just match up these dots and press hard. Then I go to one side. I want a super facelift with this install, so I'm pulling hard. Yes, man, I feel it. Same thing with this side. Oh my gosh, I feel the facelift so much. It's crazy. For right now, I just go in with my comb and press everything in. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna clip up all this hair. And I'm gonna use my very own melting bands. Melting bands are a game changer. They just make every install perfect, and they also help your wig stay on longer. I'm just gonna wait a couple minutes, at least 5 minutes, and I'll be back to cut the lace. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cut the lace off and then we'll melt it one more time. So for cutting the ears, a lot of people do struggle with this, but first I like to get the outline of my ear so I can see where I can cut. Don't cut without actually seeing where you're cutting. And then I can lift and just cut off. Looking really good. Alright, and I'm just gonna clean off these dots and I'll be back. Alright, so everything is cut off and I just put some melting spray, just a tiny bit of the Wig Dealer melting spray. I'm gonna tie this down one more time. While I do this, I'm gonna use the hot comb and find a part. I'm probably gonna do a side part. Yeah, I think I'm gonna definitely do a side part, or I'll either put everything back. But for now, I'm just gonna take sections starting from this side and then working my way that way, using the edge booster, wax stick, and my hot comb. Or should I make everything half up? I'm gonna think about it, but for now, I'll put everything this way. Alright, time to take this off. Yeah, that looks even better. So good. So now I'm pretty much just gonna focus on baby hairs because the part is either gonna be a no part or just a side part. But here is what the lace is looking like so far. Really good. And baby hairs, I definitely want them to be on the bigger side. So I'm just gonna take some out. I think that's good. Yeah, for the side parts. Okay, I might have to fix it with some color later. Just don't want to look like it's balding. Okay, this is good. And then the sides. I think it's a good spot. Don't know if I'll need any in the front actually. At first I was planning on, but now I don't think so. Unless it's like a tiny, so small, just like that. Yeah, that's literally it. Everything else back. And just to make it easier, you can use a hot comb and press them forward. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut them. And then now using my K&K little straightener, I'm gonna curl the hairs upward. Kind of hard to see these. They're there. And this will make it much easier to style. Right now, using my Lotta Body mousse, my favorite mousse, just gonna style them up. And one more time, we're gonna wrap it. And then I think I decided to put the rest of the hair all back. So I'm not gonna wet it or anything, but I'll just apply the mousse. It's so big. Once this dries, we'll fix up everything else and do the finishing touches. So much, wow. All right, I believe this should be dry. Ooh, how perfect. It looks so bomb. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I do still think I want to do a no part. Because I think I want to do some kind of ponytail later, like this. But for now, for the sake of the video, I'll just make everything go back. Like that. And make sure to put some more wax. There needs to be some kind of part for it to look normal. I think I'll do it right here. I think going upwards would be better. Yeah, something like this. But if I do a ponytail, you guys will probably see it on Instagram. I'm just not sure how I want it to look. And all of this should go back to make the top flatter. Just like that. Get some loose. Perfect. This is so long. I'm gonna stand on my chair just to show you guys how big this is. Do y'all see this? But you see how what I mean? Like the ends are pretty like tighter, which I like. So cute. So much hair, but I bet if I go in the shower and wet everything, it should come down. But I'm really feeling it. I wish I wore this on vacation as well, but you know what? There's a time and place for everything. I did cornrows and weave instead, so I just didn't have to worry about anything. But we should be good. And the edges, let me just fluff them up a little bit. Yeah, it looks so good to me. And all I'm doing is just evening them out, but I'm not cutting them shorter really. Okay, that's perfect. Literally perfect, exactly how I wanted it. And that is it for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope if you guys do try this out, let me know what you think of like some of the things I do and if you guys implement them into your routine. And also, this hair is so bomb, so if you guys want to order this hair, I'll put the link in the description down below, and I'll also put in all the info about how long this hair is and what density it is and the exact type. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.